Hey there! Let me tell you why I created this course. Once, I was at an econ class. It was actually intermediate macroeconomics. And I gave my presentation on the 2008 recession with one of my classmates. And after my presentation, my professor came to me and he asked, "Hey, Luis, how did you do that one thing on that one slide?" And then he asked me, "Hey, can you teach me?" And I was, wow. Yeah, of course I can teach you. That was pretty easy actually. And I believe that was my first presentation in his class, in one of his classes. And I'd given a lot of presentations throughout my academic career, throughout my life. I've given presentations for the university, for my classes, for professors. I'm a musician. So I've given a few presentations already. But after the professor saw how my presentations were, a few months later he actually contacted me to be his TA. And he told me there were going to be a lot of in-class presentations, and he wanted me to help him grade student presentations. And that was the moment that I realized, oh, I think I know this stuff. If anything happens at the end of this course, I can promise you, for the little amount that you paid, you could have huge returns. Take, for example, this job. It was a summer job in the middle of the pandemic. It saved my life. So for you, it could be a huge presentation for your university. It could be a really good presentation in class that leads to something familiar. It could be a job interview because you're gonna learn how to speak. You're gonna learn to use your hands, your body language to actually convey what you're trying to say. So, I could have structured this course in a ton of different ways, but I decided to go for two main sections. One of them is on presentation in terms of visuals, so PowerPoint. How does your PowerPoint look like? How do the visuals look like? And the second part is on body language. So hands, eyes, gestures, moving your body, not moving your body. But I want to make sure that you know what the goal for this course is. In this short course, I am not going to teach you how to do the research for your presentation. That's not the goal. Instead, this course is on how to present that information that you already have a lot better. So this course is about the delivery, not anything else. Truthfully, I want people to come up to you after one of your presentations and say, "Wow, that was really good. I couldn't take my eyes off you," or whatever you were saying was dope. It was great. It was awesome. And sometimes the content itself wasn't even that good. It was just how you presented it. Because they know that whatever you say, whatever you go to present, it's gonna be good because you can present, because you're good at it, because you're engaging. So you could be talking about water and it would be awesome. And perhaps even someone will come up to you and ask, "Hey, how'd you do that one thing in that one slide, that little trick right there?" And you're like, "Oh, I got you, it's easy." What I'm gonna say now is just a suggestion. You don't have to do this, but if I were you, I would take this course in a total of 2 days or less. The reason is, there's a lot of good material in here and I want you to learn it in full. The videos are intentionally short for you to be able to go through them and understand them quick. And I'm sure that if you set some time aside today and a little tomorrow, you're gonna be able to finish this course. And of course, don't forget, you have lifetime access to this course. So come back, rewatch the videos, look at the PDFs, look at all the resources and all that stuff. That's the beauty of the internet. You can go back and rewatch a lecture as many times as you want because the content is always gonna be there. On a final note, before we dive into the material, don't feel overwhelmed. All of the concepts that I'm gonna show you in the next few videos are concepts that I've learned throughout my life. And I'm gonna give them all to you at once. So for now, focus on trying to understand them and implementing them because you're gonna need practice. And I want you to have fun in the process, in the practice portion. Again, it's all a process. So, enjoy it.